Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Lang's Anti-Aging and Wellness Podcast. I'm Dr. Maria, your trusted functional medicine doctor, and today we're diving into an issue that affects 90% of Americans: nutrient deficiencies. That's right, 9 out of 10 of us are deficient in at least one key nutrient. And here's the thing. It's not just about feeling a little tired. These deficiencies could be slightly impacting your health in ways you might not even realize until it's too late. When was the last time you checked your functional lab values? As a functional medicine physician, I've been practicing for 24 years, and I can't tell you how often patients are shocked to learn that their lab values, while considered normal by conventional standards, are far from optimal for their health. Take fatigue for an example. Are you feeling drained all the time? This could be more than just being tired. It might be a sign of low hemoglobin levels, iron, or maybe you're missing key nutrients like B vitamins. And not just B12, folks. We also need B6, unless nobody has ADHD, like myself. How about B2, brain health and energy? I'm sure we know someone, or we might be suffering from depression, which is our B1 vitamin. But we need all the B vitamins. And we need iron or even magnesium. These are essential for energy in the mitochondria, but they're often overlooked. Another key nutrient that affects not just fatigue, but also immune health, heart health, and even bone strength. It's vitamin D3. I've been testing vitamin D3 for 24 years in my practice. And did you know that vitamin D3 isn't just a vitamin? It's actually a hormone. It plays a critical role in regulating your immune system, your bone health, and even your mood. Folks, do you know your vitamin D3 levels? Do you know them? Most conventional doctors, might tell you that a level 30 is fine. But the truth is, for optimal health, especially if you have conditions like diabetes or even cancer, your level should be closer to 70 and even higher. Knowing your functional lab values can help you take control of your health. So if you haven't had your vitamin D3, your hemoglobin levels checked recently, it's time. It's time to see your functional medicine doctor who knows beyond conventional lab numbers to find out what's best for your body type. So how can you make sure your body is getting the nutrient it needs? So how can you make sure your body is getting the nutrients it needs? Well, here's the good news. Nature has provided us with all the tools we need. And one of my favorite tips is to use seasonal foods as your medicine, folks. Here in Florida, October is a great time to take advantage of avocados, sweet potatoes, pumpkins, kale, dark leafy greens packed with iron, calcium, and how about those rooted vegetables loaded with vitamins and potassium? And you can even juice with them. Just don't overload it with the fruits, folks. Think of this as your daily insurance policy, designed to provide your body with everything it needs for optimal health. In today's world, it's hard. It's hard to achieve perfect nutrition every day. I get it. Welcome to my world of nutraceuticals. I'm proud to introduce to you our package, Ultimate Wellness Combo. The Superfood Reds and Superfood Greens from my natural pharmacy. These aren't just your average supplements. They are physician grade, high quality formulations, tested, backed with science, and tailored for your well-being. And just a half a scoop a day, folks, you're fueling your body with the best vitamins, minerals, enzymes, high antioxidants, and probiotics. And here's the kicker. It covers all of your essential vitamins and minerals full for 60 days. Imagine having an energy immune system and detoxifying your liver and kidney, well, all of your organs, and vitality. That comes from knowing your body is fully nourished. Here's the best part: this ultimate wellness combo is on special this month. So don't miss out to grab this amazing deal for a limited time. Visit my website at Lang's Anti-Aging and Wellness to secure your Superfood Reds and Greens today. And if you haven't had your functional labs tests done in a while, now is the time to act, folks. Knowing your vitamin D3 levels, hemoglobin, and other important markers can help you take control of your health and optimize your wellness. Visit my natural pharmacy or in store, and let's make sure that you're not the one of the 90% walking around with nutrient deficiencies. Thank you for tuning in, and I'm Dr. Maria, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Visit my website and check out my natural pharmacy today, and let's get you on the path of optimal health. Until next time, folks, stay vibrant and take control of your wellness journey.